To our local markets and the first fall in 6 sessions. Martin Lakos from Macquarie Private Wealth has all the details. Martin Lakos, not a day of great conviction on the markets.
No, Tiki, although no surprise, we had a softer day. We were actually down 60 points at one stage following the lead from the United States. But more to the point, concerns that the Slovakia Parliament was not going to pass the EFSF requirements at this point in time. It does look like they will pass those in about a week's time. But interestingly, we actually had quite a reasonable rally through the day, admittedly on low volume. We only closed down about 24 points. There was talk out of Asian markets that a state-run investment company started buying financial institutional shares out of the Hong Kong and Shanghai market. And to give you an idea, the Hong Kong market, which was down 330 points, is up over 100 points, so about a 400-point turnaround as we speak. So that's probably giving markets a bit of a heart there. Also, we've got the CPI number out of China due out on Friday. Rumours, and I really do emphasise rumours, is that number is going to be slightly better than expected as well.
Well, to company news, and uranium miner ERA has announced quite a substantial capital raising as well as production outlook. How reassured should investors now be?
Well, look, the production number is probably, we think, a bit ambitious, but good to hear them that they're working hard to get that production number up, raising $500 million through a 12-for-7 rights issue at $1.53. Now, this is very significant, Tiki. It's a 53% discount to the share price that closed yesterday at $3.29. So very significant. Also, shareholders in the market should be quite comfortable with it that Rio, the 68% shareholder, is taking up its full entitlement and have stated that they will take up anything that's over from the retail entitlement as well. So that's quite good news. Most of the money, about $270 million of the $500 million, is going to the brine concentrator and water treatment plant. Other parts of it is going to the Ranger development as well. So that's a very deep discounted issue and should go off reasonably well. It was
deep discounted because that was the only way it would get away?
Well, possibly, but also at the end of the day, they have to look at the dilution impacts of such a large issue for a company like ERA, and certainly wanted to get investors on board with that deep discount. So it's very attractive in that respect.
JB Hi-Fi had its AGM today. Now, something must have pleased investors. Share price went up 3.5%.
Yeah, but not initially, Tiki. The stock was actually down over 40 or 50 cents at one stage. The first quarter sales, although rose 6.6%, that still compares to last year's first quarter of a rise of 12%. What did get the market a bit more interested in is the commentary coming through with regards to the next quarter, which is a little bit more positive. They're certainly saying that with the new iPod 4S phone, if I'm allowed to mention that, better movies, better games coming out leading up to the Christmas trading period. They're expecting that they are well positioned for Christmas. And the market like that, and yes, as you said, the stock ultimately closed up 49 cents to $14.36.
Martin Lakos, thank you again for joining us.
Always a pleasure, Tiki. Thanks.